Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank page, struggling to find the right words? What if I told you that AI could be your secret weapon for overcoming writer's block and boosting your productivity? AI writing assistants are revolutionizing the way we create content. These powerful tools use advanced language models to generate human-like text, making writing easier and faster than ever before. Let's explore some of the top AI writing tools in the market. We'll start with WriteSonic, a versatile platform that excels in creating SEO-friendly content. WriteSonic is perfect for generating blog posts, landing pages, and marketing materials. To use it, simply input your topic, add some relevant keywords, and choose your preferred tone. The AI will then craft engaging content tailored to your specifications. Next up is Jasper, a robust AI tool designed for long-form writing. It's ideal for creating in-depth blog articles, ebooks, and even storytelling. With Jasper, you can provide a topic and an outline, and the AI will expand it into detailed, coherent content. For those on a budget, Writer offers an excellent solution. This AI writing assistant shines in creating short-form content like emails, social media posts, and ad copy. It's user-friendly and can quickly generate multiple variations of your desired content. But the world of AI writing doesn't stop there. Tools like Copy.ai specialize in crafting compelling ad copy and email marketing content. Copy.ai is an AI copywriting tool that helps you create marketing copy, blog posts, articles, and other forms of content. It offers a variety of features, including a product description generator, a blog post intro writer, and a social media post generator. AnyWord is an AI-driven copywriting tool that generates and optimizes marketing content for ads, emails, blogs, and social media. With customizable tones, audience targeting, and performance scores, AnyWord helps businesses create high-performing content quickly and efficiently. To get the most out of these AI writing assistants, remember these key tips. Be clear and specific with your prompts. Always edit and refine the generated content. Use AI as a starting point rather than a replacement for your creativity. And don't be afraid to experiment with different tools to find the best fit for your unique needs. Let's recap the key points about AI writing tools. AI writing assistants like WriteSonic, Jasper, and WriteR can help you create high-quality content faster. These tools use advanced language models to generate human-like text based on your input and preferences. Different tools specialize in various types of content, from blog posts and social media updates to long-form articles and creative writing. To get the best results, be clear with your prompts, edit the generated content, and use AI as a starting point rather than a replacement for your creativity. Here at Monarch Media, you can find all of these tools and start using them today. Make sure to add this website to your favorites, because as the AI world keeps changing, all of the current tools will be right here. Make sure to check our news page to see what is happening around the world with AI today.